Let me present my short topic. So, sharing screen now. Okay, I would like to quickly announce this new Kotlin-related blog. So, you may think, okay, there are a lot of blogs about Kotlin, a lot of YouTube channels. Why do I want to create a new one? So, the common denominator of these all stuff that already exists, at least for me, is that it's like soaking with content. It takes time to read, and I don't always have that time. We are a generation of headlines, so it's really quite frequent that we take our knowledge from the headlines and then we decide if it's worth to read the actual content. And the goal of this blog is to provide really small, digestible blog posts that fit on a single screen height. So, for example, I already have 2 blog posts. One of them is about scripting in Kotlin, like something that that you can use instead of Python or Bash. And it's really simple. It gives you a minimal example, and it's easy to read, like within 1 or 2 minutes. Also about this deprecations of APIs. It almost fits 1 screen height, but it's still pretty small. So yeah, that's my goal for this blog, to publish some interesting stuff every 1 or 2 weeks. You feel free also to contribute. There's it's basically an open source Jekyll page where you can send pull requests. You can cut me a ticket with an idea for a blog post, or even you can just write the blog post yourself, and we will go through some review process. And hopefully this blog will give you some added value and will provide some interesting facts in a really short amount of time with little resources, right? You don't have to read through all these 15 minutes blog post to know just a small little piece of knowledge. Yeah, and that's basically it for today. So thanks a lot, folks. Thanks, Robert, once again.
Thanks.
And have a nice evening. Have a nice Kotlin and have a nice Kvision. Bye.
Yep.